Hi everyone. In this lecture, I'm just going to briefly mention what the test manager is. So if we hover over there, you can see it says link, unlink, or open the test case in the test manager. So if you come here, this is where you enter the URL of the test manager instance. And in order to do this, you need to actually do the same thing we did previously, where you make sure you connect your test manager to your tenant in UiPath Cloud. So if we come here, we can go back to home, to the home page in our UiPath Cloud. Then by tenant, we want to go to manage, and then we want to click these three dots to show more actions, go to tenant settings. Okay, and then you'll see that there is a test manager option over here. So I'll click save, and it'll take a few seconds. And there you go, it's enabled. We won't see it yet. We just need to refresh our page. And then there is the test manager. So you can come here, and this is where you can create requirements and test cases and all that. So let's just wait for that to load. And there you go. So now we can create a project, new project. Let me call it my first project. Okay. And a prefix. So this is the prefix that will be prepended to all object keys of this project, minimum of 3 characters, A to Z. So we can also just call it my first project. And I'll click create. Okay, so now here is our project. We can click into this. And now we have come to the dashboard. Then we can see which ones fail, which ones pass, can create test cases and all that. So if we come here to the test manager, it's asking for the base URL of the test manager instance. So if we come here, this here looks like the base URL of the test manager instance. Let's copy that and paste it in here. The connect, checking connection, and it's successfully connected. So then we can enter the project prefix, which was my first project. See, it comes up there. So you'll select that, click OK. And then from here, you can create a test case. For example, my first test case. You can create that. And there it is. So that is just a simple little demo of the test manager. This could be an entire course on its own. So I'm not going to go into too much detail on this, but that is how you can connect to your test manager. In the next lesson, we are going to be learning about the app or web recorder. And this is a really cool tool to build your automations with just a few clicks.